guys see that snow snake just come out of nowhere and bite me? Whoa! I'm just a kid and I know that it's not fair. That looks so brutal.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, well, I didn't say it. Bobby called and said she needs to be home right now. What up, Team Buckhouse? You guys don't know this because of the way we make our videos, but we haven't seen each other for like 6 days. I missed Benton. I'm excited. I hate long breaks of not snowboarding, but I got to go spend some time with my family, take Roman to SeaWorld. He got to see orcas for the first time. The dude was loving life, and then we got to spend some quality time with Grandpa. So the cool thing is about the channel is I can post like how-to videos and things like that and take some time off from snowboarding if needed. So one, we don't get burnt out, but two, family time is crucial. It's very important to me. So got some super duper quality family time, and we will be getting Roman back on the snow. You guys are asking for it. He's asking for it. Roman will go snowboarding soon. But today, we're with Benton again, and we're gonna send it. We're gonna shred it. Ski dock is somewhere. He's probably tuning skis or doing what the dock does. And yeah, enough talking. Let's get into today. I have no idea what it's gonna be, but it's a gorgeous day. Hopefully the snow is not too firm because it's like getting really hot and getting really cold and freezing. So we'll see. Snow could be suspect. Looks like no medium-sized jumps today. USASA is doing a competition. Good luck, boys. Snow snake just come out of nowhere and bite me and Hi guys, the conditions are pretty sick. So the conditions are exactly what we expected. A little firm, getting softer by the end of today. It's gonna feel great. We're gonna have a good day. The main park is closed other than the big rails due to the competition. So we're doing Peace Park, we're jumping into main park. We're doing whatever. I am super stoked though to just be back on my snowboard. Taking 6 days off. I know a lot of you guys do take 6 days, 7 days off. It's not normal for me and I miss it a lot. So as for progression today, I don't know what we're gonna work on. We're just gonna kind of send it, have some fun, and yeah, just get our legs back. So hopefully tomorrow we can send it. However, they're supposed to get like 2 feet of snow coming up this weekend. Yeah, like a ton of snow. which will be sick too. So some late spring pow, never opposed to that.
Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Yeah. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my ass. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line. Watch out for those who surround you, need no funny kind. You can't see what's on my.
That looked so brutal. Dude, are you okay?
Yeah.
That looked so rough. We got the dock. Ow, ow, ow. Alright, TJ. The people want to know. I got a lot of flack in the live stream why we haven't been taking laps together, even though we've been taking laps together, but we haven't been showing people that we've been taking laps together.
Yeah, well, we're kind of on our own program, you know? It's like,
Hard.
that's how it goes sometimes. It's hard to line it up.
Make content. We'll all make our own content. But me and TJ are still homies. We still see each other on the reg.
100%.
So,
Yeah.
Guys, the truth is, TJ just wants to start skiing.
Do you lie awake at night? Are you afraid to turn out the lights? Is there something you're scared of? What's there out in the dark? Make sure to keep all your windows locked. Do you surrender? You try to stay awake. These walls you can't escape. Here's one for the lonely hearts, for the ones that fear the dark. You better run out of here. Bet you can't look the other way. Here's one for the broken road. That's the only one you know. You better run out, truth or dare. Get me out, take me anywhere but here.
Mommy said that she needs me to come home like right now. What? Yeah. So sometimes when you have a wife and kid and your wife calls you and says, I need you home right now, that's how it works. So this is Chipmunk.
Okay.
Well, I didn't say it. Bobby called and said she needs me home right now. All right, Chipmunk, here we go. Unexpected.
He didn't make it. You gotta want it. It's so long. Yeah, dude.
All right, goodbye to the dock. Thanks for filming.
Got it.
With Benton.
See you guys.
Benton's over there. Bye, Benton. Bye, Benton. All right, I gotta get back. See ya. So obviously I'm bummed. The conditions were just starting to get super soft, super warm. We were just starting to get warmed up, but you know, this is life. You know, I'm married. I have a wife who's pregnant with my second child. She says, yo, I need you to come home now. We come home now. And that's a big reason why I get to do this for a living, and I got to snowboard a ton prior to doing this for a living. It's because when my wife needs something, I'm there for her. Like, drop it all, show up, let's go. Thankfully, I have a friend group that supports that, you know, like Ski Doc Benton. Everyone's like, yo, dude, you're good, go do it. You know what I'm saying? Before I put my snowboard in, the binding bag that I've been rocking, Bluebird Supply or Snow Company made this for me, custom. We only have a couple of these. I'm doing a 5 giveaway right now. If you want that binding bag, enter the giveaway. It's linked in the description. It is so hot down here though. Oh man. This is the heat that they were talking about. At the end of the day, we accomplished the goal, which was get warmed up. So hopefully tomorrow when it's nicer and then when the more of the park's open, I think it's gonna be nicer tomorrow. Nope, it's snowing tomorrow. So either way, I feel warmed up. Today was fun. It was good. I'm gonna rush through this sticker shout out and I'm gonna get it home. So today's sticker shout out goes to Drew Gurley with the gold sticker on the helmet. Looking so sick, man. Thank you so much for snagging Evolution merch, guys. I do this for a living through your guys' support, so thank you for watching the videos. But also everyone snagging the merch, hoodies, hats, t-shirts, long sleeves, any of it, guys. It's all linked in the description. If you do snag any of the merch like the stickers, make sure you just tag me on Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also follow my Instagram. I just noticed Benton got a ticket. Follow my Instagram and you know Benton got a ticket. I'm joking. Follow my Instagram for bonus extra content. If you want, definitely want to be following Instagram. Empty. That threw me off. Anyways, follow my Instagram. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Keep evolving. See you guys tomorrow. I just gotta get home. Oh.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no.